Transcendental meditation traces its roots to ancient Vedic traditions of India. The technique itself was formalized by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi in the mid-20th century. Born in 1918 in Jabalpur, India, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi was originally named Mahesh Prasad Varma. After completing his degree in physics at Allahabad University, he dedicated his life to reviving the ancient practice of meditation and adapting it to suit the needs of the modern world. The emergence of Transcendental Meditation. Maharishi Mahesh Yogi introduced Transcendental Meditation to the world in the 1950s. His teachings emphasized simplicity and universality, making meditation accessible to people from all walks of life. The technique gained popularity in the 1960s when the Beatles, particularly George Harrison, studied with Maharishi in India. The media coverage of the Beatles' association with Transcendental Meditation catapulted the practice into the global spotlight. The technique. At its core, Transcendental Meditation is a simple and natural technique. Practitioners sit comfortably with their eyes closed and silently repeat a mantra, a specific sound or word assigned by a certified teacher. The mantra is used as a vehicle to transcend ordinary thought and experience a deep state of restful awareness. The practice is typically done for 15–20 minutes, twice a day. The importance of a certified teacher. One distinguishing feature of meditation is the emphasis on learning the technique from a certified teacher. The teacher provides personalized instruction and ensures that the practitioner uses the correct mantra. This personalized approach is believed to be crucial for the effectiveness of the practice. Benefits. Over the years, meditation has been associated with a myriad of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Here are some of the key advantages reported by practitioners. Stress reduction. One of the most widely acknowledged benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. Numerous studies have shown that regular practice leads to lower levels of cortisol, the hormone associated with stress. Improved focus and clarity. The practice has been linked to enhanced cognitive functioning. Practitioners often report improved concentration, creativity, and clarity of thought. Better emotional well-being. Meditation has shown promise in alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. The practice is associated with a more positive mood and increased emotional stability. Enhanced physical health. Research suggests that regular meditation may have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. Lower blood pressure and reduced risk of heart disease are among the potential benefits. Increased energy and vitality. Many individuals who practice meditation report higher levels of energy and vitality. The deep rest obtained during meditation is believed to rejuvenate the mind and body. Notable practitioners. Transcendental meditation has attracted a diverse group of practitioners, including notable celebrities who credit the practice with contributing to their success and well-being. Some of these individuals include Oprah Winfrey. The media mogul has been an advocate for meditation for years. She has spoken openly about the positive impact it has had on her life and the lives of those around her. Ellen DeGeneres. The popular talk show host incorporates meditation into her daily routine to manage stress and stay focused. Hugh Jackman. The acclaimed actor has credited meditation with helping him find balance in his busy life and maintain mental clarity. Katy Perry. The pop sensation has spoken about using meditation as a tool for grounding herself and staying centered amid the demands of her career. Jerry Seinfeld. The legendary comedian has been practicing meditation for decades and attributes his success and creativity to the practice. The path to proficiency. Becoming proficient in transcendental meditation involves commitment and consistency. Here are the key steps in the journey toward mastery. Find a certified teacher. The first step is to locate a certified meditation teacher. These instructors have undergone extensive training to ensure they can provide proper guidance to practitioners. Receive personalized instruction. In a one-on-one session, a certified teacher will provide personalized instruction, including the assignment of a specific mantra. This step is crucial for the effectiveness of the practice. Regular practice. Consistency is key in mastering meditation. Practitioners are encouraged to meditate twice a day, ideally in the morning and evening, to experience the full range of benefits. Attend follow-up sessions. Certified teachers often offer follow-up sessions to address any questions or challenges that may arise during the practice. These sessions contribute to the ongoing growth and refinement of the meditation experience. Cons. While Transcendental Meditation has gained widespread acclaim, it's important to acknowledge that it may not be suitable for everyone. Here are some potential drawbacks and criticisms associated with the practice. Cost. Learning the practice typically involves a fee for instruction. Some critics argue that this commercial aspect limits accessibility to those who may benefit most from the practice. Lack of transparency. The specific techniques and mantras used are kept confidential. Some individuals find this lack of transparency concerning, as it deviates from the more open sharing of techniques in other meditation practices. Religious connections. While the teachings are often presented as a secular practice, its roots in Vedic traditions may deter those who prefer a completely secular or non-religious approach to meditation. Effectiveness skepticism. While many practitioners swear by the benefits of transcendental meditation, some skeptics argue that the scientific evidence supporting its efficacy is not as robust as claimed by its proponents.